Leaders and members of the Garo Students' Union (GSU Tura) stopped the entrance gate to the Nehu campus since July 13. According to the leaders of the GSU, the union had made various demands from the Nehu authorities in the last 1 month to look into the various problems faced by the students studying in Tura campus of the university. So far, Nehu has not responded to the demands. The Vice Chancellor of Nehu, Shillong, had assured the unions that he will visit Tura early last week in order to discuss the problems of the students in the campus, but he failed to keep his promises. As a result, the union had closed the entrance gate of the university campus till the Vice Chancellor visits and solve the problem. It is informed that the Vice Chancellor will visit Tura campus on July 18.
Dalo tsinga walja chiyo da get spinga maina nova tsinga BC misawa insurance kacham 14 ibage nemna aniba dalo bia 14 ibase 18 ibage ne tsinga pusata aniba ya khatta ko tsinga extra kana mancha tsinko insal kagata ka ya tsinko insal ka ngode jat ko insal kainga aru garis gemu ko insal kainga aru meghalaya gemu insal kainga ni gman tsinga ya get ko Nehu get ko dalo spinga maina ko spinga ba ya ni BC ni bini kata sabuk kupong oni gimun ya side effect ne uni gimun dalam sepinga biar actually bawa actually so kulikan uni gimun sekarang dalam sepinga mana sekarang GSU PGSU atau GSMC jarang uja jat nak kau pasal jat nak kau yang ada ugu install kanang ja biar cibri bagian ne cibri insurance kasem di bazaha uni gimun side effect yan side effect aro cita tu bagian mana uno biar uno fulfill tak jauh uno cing demand fulfill tak jauh udah uno tu extreme step besar ya ibo besarnya ibo bisi ibo aro government ibo jebo ibo ani udah cing demand tu nanga
sekarang tu jawa
itu mah sibo ini ibu tahu sepinga walau sekarang tahu baru aja sepinga macam lah